I've tried some traditional shoe cleaners in the past, and there's honestly just too much trouble with that. They usually come in giant bottles, and then you have to find a brush that goes with it that works well for your shoes. And then sometimes it spills, it leaks, you can put too much on your shoes and possibly ruin them. But with this one little 3-in-1 kit here, you get a great built-in brush. It dispenses just the right amount of cleaner onto your shoes, and then when you're done, you wipe them right off with this cloth. And you can easily just rinse it off, cap it, and bring it with you. So this is a 3-in-1 kit that comes with 2 cleaning solutions and 1 microfiber cloth. So this is what the cloth looks like, and it comes with 2 cleaning solutions here. Now, this is all in one. The cleaning solution is built in, and you get a really nice little scrubber on the bottom. You dip it in some water, and then you just kind of like gently press it onto your shoe and just start scrubbing and cleaning. The solution will come out right here, and it really gets the job done. It cleans my shoes so well. It gets them really sudsy, and it cleans them and scrubs them very good. The included brush here is very good quality, and it really gets the dirt and grime out of every crease in my shoes. I love it. When I'm done cleaning my shoes, all I do is just rinse off the brush, and then I put the little cap right back on. It's also very small and portable too. So you can just put it right inside of your purse, just like that. It's very small, and it has quite a lot of solution in it. Honestly, I've had such a great experience using this product, and I have nothing but good things to say about it. So if you're looking for a great shoe cleaner that gets your shoes looking fresh and white, and you want to be able to take it on the go with you, I highly recommend checking out this little 3-in-1 kit right here from the brand Simple Life.